Now, all of the information provided here today can be found in my book, Can I Represent Myself? A Self-Help Guide for the Self-Represented Litigant. And of course, when you open the book, the first thing that you'll see is my reminder that this guide is offered for educational purposes only and is not intended to substitute for legal advice. Additionally, I make it very clear in the book that while every person has a right to represent themselves in court, I do not recommend that a criminal defendant represent him or herself because the stakes are really too high. There is no margin of error when someone's liberty is at stake, and I would strongly urge against any criminal defendant representing themselves. And in most cases, even in civil proceedings, sometimes it may be ill-advised to represent yourself. But again, this channel is dedicated to making the law accessible to real people who may not have had the opportunity, the inclination, and most certainly don't have the time to do the research necessary to represent themselves in court and may have never been engaged in any type of court proceedings. So minimally, the book will help people understand how the process works, what is supposed to happen at each stage in the process, and most definitely how to be of assistance to your counsel so that hopefully you will be successful in your litigation.